Yeah, I think 2026 is very different than 2025 when it comes to AI. I think in 2025, advisors were first trying to wrap their head around it, understand what AI is, what's the applicability in our industry. I don't think anybody's asking that anymore. I certainly hope not. I think for 2026, it's the implementation year. We're starting to see AI be immersed in pretty much every product that's available to RIAs. And I think the advances with large language models and the chat GPTs and the Geminis of the world and the Claudes of the world are just moving at such a rapid pace, it's difficult to catch up. But it's really an exciting time and the capabilities are just getting better. And I think it's only going to make advisors better. When you think about your AI strategy, you have to look at where you are in the ecosystem. There's a big difference between where the largest firms should be thinking about AI and everybody else. For the largest firms, they can build their own databases, they can layer their own AI on top of it, they can train their own AI and really be, an enterprise solution. For most firms in the industry, that's not really an option. They're going to need to rely on third parties to be their database and their AI agents. And depending on the size of the firm and what you're trying to accomplish, some vendors will be better for you than others. We introduced AI University this year for a number of reasons, but I think the chief reason is I go to a lot of conferences every year and I sit in on a lot of AI sessions, and many of them are descriptive and predictive, but I don't feel that there's been enough hands-on knowledge. Here's how you use AI. Here are the takeaways you can actually take back and implement in your office immediately. So AI University is going to be a whole day about that. We're going to be having 1-hour sessions about different use cases, different products that you can actually learn about, go back to your office and implement immediately. And that's the difference.